Today we got some tequila. We got some chicken thighs. We got tequila lime chicken thighs. That's what we're doing today. Tequila lime chicken thighs with a side of fried rice and broccoli. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. We're gonna get started right away. We got our seasonings. It'll be all listed down below, but real quick: black pepper, salt, onion powder, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. So we're gonna go ahead real quick and debone our chicken thighs. Guys, you can save a whole lot of money deboning your own chicken thighs. I mean, I'm talking about like $2-3 a pack. So we just go down the sides with a nice sharp knife. And then what I do is get up against the side here and go right up. And then down. And then get around that knuckle. And that's it. You got a chicken thigh. Deboned. Yeah, you got to cut corners wherever you can cut corners. Yeah, if you know you buy the boneless, you're going to pay more. You spend a little bit of extra time, debone your own chicken, and you're going to save a few bucks. And every dollar goes a long way. All right, so we're going to go ahead and season up our chicken. Now, we're not going to use all the seasoning. We're just going to get a nice light coat because we're going to let these sit for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes while we get together some other stuff. All right, let's get started on our tequila lime sauce. No. We got pineapple juice. I'll leave all the measurements below. But guys, this is a pretty good, this is different. I'm pushing myself, trying to come up with different things to cook every day. And this is, cooking with alcohol is something I normally don't do. So I'm just expanding my horizons a little bit. So in we go with the tequila. Now we will be cooking this sauce. We'll cook the alcohol flavor out of it, and we got to bring all the flavors together. So don't worry about it, anybody getting tipsy off this. We're gonna cook the alcohol. We just want the flavor of the tequila, and use a better tequila. This is probably his lowest grade tequila I would go. You want it to taste good. In with your favorite hot sauce. We're gonna give this a little roll. Try and break up the juices inside the lime. Just so it juices a little easier. Now I was supposed to zest some lime into the sauce here, but I forgot. So the next time I make this, I'll make sure I do that. So go ahead, we're gonna try and get 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice here. Guys, if you can hit us with a like, that'd be great. Lets YouTube find us. All right, so we're done with that. Now we're gonna move on to bringing all of these flavors together. So we got butter, and then we're going with our sauce. All right, we're gonna hit this with 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Recipe didn't call for it. I just decided to kind of throw that in there. I'll leave the recipe where I got my inspiration from for this down below. And now in with some honey. Sweeten this up a little bit. All right, give that a quick stir. I know it's a fork, but it's okay. It was the closest thing I had. All right. We're done there. All right, bring this to a boil. I don't know, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, until it starts to thicken up just a little bit. Not too thick. Just want to get that alcohol cooked out. Okay, that's a cold pan. We're not cooking these on top. We're going in the oven. So we're going to take our avocado oil and we're going to give that a good spread. You know, just so our chicken thighs don't stick. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go in with our chicken thighs. And then with the rest of the seasoning that we had, we're just going to go over top. You know, adds a little color, a little more flavor. Don't forget, we had these sitting now for about 20 minutes or so. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, put that in the oven. And there you go, about 35 minutes later, this is what we got. We're gonna temp these, make sure they're cooked. 192. Now I like to take my chicken thighs 170 to 190, almost 200, maybe not 200, but I just find chicken thighs they take temperature pretty well and they taste better. They're not so rubbery if you take it up to like 180, 190. No. Especially out on the grill. You know, I like to take them a little bit hotter than most recipes call for. All right, we let that caramelize a little bit, and this is what we got. Tequila Lime Chicken Thighs. And guys, this is good. All right, that's time for our little flyover. There's our rice with our broccoli. Here's the star of the show, the Tequila Lime Chicken Thighs. Guys, you gotta try it. This was a good one. This one took about 50 minutes to the table. Not bad. This was a pretty quick recipe, and it'll be even quicker the next time we cook it. Tequila Lime Chicken Thighs with a side of fried rice and broccoli. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day.